Hi everyone, Dave Moorhead here. Today we're going to make vegan no chicken salad using tempeh. Here are the ingredients. You can pause the video here to get the ingredients, or they will also be listed down below. Here's what we're making. Let's get started. Tempeh has a slightly bitter taste, so we're going to simmer it in a broth for about 10 minutes to try to get rid of that taste. We're going to add some spices to 2 cups of water and bring it to a boil. I used 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of Bragg liquid aminos, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Use high heat and bring it to a boil. While we're waiting for the broth to boil, this is a great time to dice our tempeh into little cubes like this. Once it starts boiling, you can turn it down to a very low setting and then add the tempeh to the pot. We're going to simmer the tempeh for 10 minutes. While the tempeh is simmering, cut up your vegetables into small pieces like this. Check to make sure your heat isn't up too high. We don't want to boil it, we just want to simmer. Now add some oil to a frying pan. We're going to fry the tempeh to get it a little crispy. Now add a little bit of black pepper and a tablespoon of liquid aminos and stir until all of the tempeh is covered with the liquid aminos. Once the tempeh is crispy, add it to a bowl and let it cool. Now add the omega-3 trail mix to a large dish like this. I didn't measure the amount, but I think it was about 3/4 of a cup. Now add the carrots, celery, and onion. Now add the tempeh. Now we're going to add the vegan mayo, mustard, and salt and pepper. I didn't measure, but I think I used about a 1/2 cup of vegan mayo and a 1/4 cup of mustard, and just salt and pepper to taste. Now mix all the ingredients until everything is well combined. Congratulations, now we got to my favorite part where we get to eat it. I put it on toast with some tomato, but you can also eat it with some crackers. It is absolutely delicious. Enjoy. Bon appetit. See you in the next video.